This is a NIKKOR Z 24 to 70 S. Do you really need it? It's only an f4, goes right to f22. It doesn't have VR, but it does use an STM motor for the autofocus. It's all internal, minimum focusing of around 0.3 meters, 72mm filter thread. It weighs about 500 grams. Now, when you bear in mind that the Z6 with battery and card weighs 675, the lens isn't that far off the body itself, but it works perfectly well combined. Of course, it's weather sealed, so that goes nicely with the Z6 as well. But let's just throw up some very random sample shots and meet on the other side. You know what? It's a nice sharp lens. They're calling it compact, which I guess compared to other 24-70s, it kind of is. It's a nice solid feeling thing. It's not too bad considering it's more or less plastic, but it's weather sealed, so that is very, very nice. Quite obviously, the sharpness is spot on. The contrast, really nice. The colours, so good. It's kind of expensive though, so I don't know if I'd be interested in buying this outright. I mean, I'd probably just go for the 24 to 70 2.8. You know, this doesn't really interest me as much as that does, or rather some of the other primes, and let's see what else comes out for this mount too. But to be honest, as the first lens that I used on the Z6, yeah, works a treat. Otherwise, of course it doesn't have VR, but the body handled that nicely for me. It's got your A to M switch there. It's got that funky little way of getting started where you got to turn to the first focal length and then onwards. It's not too much play. It's fine, you know. I don't know really if I would want to be spending so much. We've said it twice now, I guess, but yeah, that's what it comes down to. I'd rather put my money to the Pro version. Have you used this lens? We want to hear from you. Subscribe. More cool stuff coming up very, very soon. Hopefully in 5 days' time.